Investigators at Traffic Services are seeking assistance from the public to identify the driver and/or vehicle that was involved in a failed-to-remain collision that occurred at the intersection of Woodbine Avenue and O'Connor Drive in the city of Toronto. On Wednesday, January 20th, 2021, at approximately 11:55 a.m., it's reported that a 59-year-old male was operating an e-bike northbound on Woodbine Avenue and attempted to make a right turn to travel eastbound on O'Connor Drive. A white Ford pickup truck with a Salter installed in the rear bed was traveling in the same direction, and a collision occurred between the two road users during the turning maneuver. The pickup truck failed to remain at the scene. The rider of the e-bike suffered serious injuries and was transported to hospital where he was admitted. Once again, police are looking to identify this vehicle and its driver. The vehicle is described as a white 2017 to 2019 Ford F-250 Supercab pickup truck. It has a Salter installed in the rear bed. Police are asking local residents, businesses, and drivers who may have security or dash camera footage of the area or incident to contact investigators. Anyone with information is asked to contact police at 416-808-1900 or Crime Stoppers anonymously at 416-222-TIPS. That's 416-222-8477. Thank you.